Good evening. Lord Black believes I should introduce myself. My name is Lady Penny. You don't know me. Not yet, but you will. You see, from tonight onward, I'll be the one whispering the stories into your ear. Stories of traders. Stories of greed. Stories of fear and hope and terrible decisions made at very high leverage. I watch them, the traders. I watch them chase the market. I watch them move their stops. I watch them double their size to win back what they lost 5 minutes ago. It's all very predictable and very entertaining. Listen closely, darling. You might even learn something from these little bedtime stories. Something that keeps you from blowing up your account. Something that might even put money in your pocket. Or don't. The stories are delicious either way. Lord Black will still be around, of course, lurking in the shadows, talking about discipline and patience and all those very serious things. But this channel is mine now. He simply hasn't realized it yet. Now then, before you go to sleep tonight, let me tell you a story. Tonight's story is about a trader named Daniel. Daniel believed the market owed him money, and the market does not like people who think that way. Daniel had a bad week, then a bad month, then what he liked to call a temporary statistical anomaly, which was really just a long series of bad decisions. But Daniel didn't think he was making bad decisions. No. Daniel thought he was due. Every loss made him more certain that the next trade had to win, because in his mind, the market was like a scoreboard. If you were down enough, eventually it had to come back. So Daniel started trading more often, and then he started trading bigger, not because the setups were better, but because he was behind. He wasn't trading the market anymore. He was trading his P and L, and that is a very dangerous game. One afternoon, after 3 red trades in a row, Daniel found the perfect setup. At least, it looked perfect to someone who needed it to be perfect. He entered big, very big. And for a moment, he was right. The trade went green almost immediately. Daniel smiled. He leaned back in his chair. He was already spending the money in his head. Then the market pulled back. Just a little at first. Daniel didn't close the trade. He couldn't. Because the market owed him money. The pullback became a reversal. The reversal became a loss. The loss became a very large loss. And still, Daniel held, because closing the trade would mean accepting that the market didn't owe him anything at all. By the time Daniel finally closed the position, the loss was bigger than all the losses that came before it. You see, traders don't get into the most trouble when they are calm. They get into trouble when they feel cheated, when they feel like they deserve to win, when they believe the market owes them for all the times they were wrong. But the market does not know you. It does not remember you, and it does not owe you anything. The market is not a person. It does not care about your losses. It does not care about your wins. It only does one thing. It moves. And if you trade like the market owes you something, eventually it will take everything you have. Sleep well, traders, if you can.